Olivia, what questions do you want to ask us?
Jesus' hands fell out. Jesus' hands
So, good
fallen.
afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We had a very nice session of watercolor painting, and we, Mrs. and Mr. Audience, are very much interested in what you painted. So, can you speak about your painting, Valerie? Lift up, hold us towards us always. Yeah.
I drew 2 balloons. I drew lots of smiley faces and 2 sleepy faces.
Mm-hmm.
I drew some flowers and I put some rain.
Some rain. What kind of rain?
Small rain.
Small rain. And Sarah, can you talk about your painting again, please?
So I painted a happy flower, and when the pot is sleeping, they have a party.
Ah, so the flowers have a party. That's cute.
Yeah.
And when you were painting, you were listening to music. I think the music for this painting was Chopin's music. How did you feel the music? What was the music about?
Like calm, sunlight, cloud.
Mm-hmm. Calm.
Some sleepy.
Some sleepy bits in it.
Some like shark music.
Shark music. I think that was
the one I painted.
The one you painted. I'm going to hand over you
my shark one.
Your shark. It was, I think, painted for Bela Bartok's Allegro Barbaro. So can you speak
like it,
about
Valerie?
this?
Yeah. So I drew the shark with his teeth, and there's a balloon, so he's gonna pop the balloon.
That's really, really nice. Thank you very much for your presentation.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
See you next Thursday.